Statement: more emails are sent and received on Google than any other internet giant. Assumptions: 1. The number of emails sent and received on each internet giant is known. Number 2. Google is an internet giant.
Baba, both the assumptions are valid. Unless the number of mails sent on each internet giant and therefore all internet giants was known, one cannot know which of them handles the highest number of mails. And since Google is being compared to the other internet giants, it is implicit that Google itself is an internet giant.
Good, Vidya. Now the next example is statement: there are too few courts but too many cases. Observe the somber judge. Assumption: courts handle cases. The assumption is valid. The judge wishes to say that the existing number of courts is not enough to deal with the existing number of cases. It is thus implicit in the judge's observation that courts handle cases. Are you with me, Vidya?
Yes, Baba.
Now, Vidya, let me tell you about the importance of words in our topic. Modifying words will play the most crucial role. These modifying words are mostly adjectives and adverbs of frequency like only, some, always, best, all, definitely, most, certainly, etc. But they can also be verbs like will, is, are, might, can, may, could, should, etc. These adjectives, adverbs, and verbs can be classified as: number 1, definites; number 2, non-definites. The following is a list of common definites: all, is, are, will, always, ever, never, must, certainly, definitely. And the most common non-definites are some, may, maybe, perhaps, should, and probably.
Baba, I'll remember all these words while solving the questions.
Yes, Vidya. Now remember this golden rule. Definites weaken the force of a statement or argument. Non-definites strengthen the force of a statement or argument. Here is an example. There are clouds overhead. A says it will rain, and B says it may rain. Whose words are more convincing? Obviously, A is concluding that rains are inevitable. His assumption is that it always rains when there are clouds overhead. But B is assuming that overhead clouds do not always cause rain. Thus, if it were to rain, A would be correct. But in the absence of rain, A would be wrong. This is because he has used the definite will rain. But B is correct in both the cases. This is because he uses the non-definite may rain. Okay, Vidya?
Yes, Baba.